My perspective, the regional enterprise plan is an enabler. There's so much wider ambition within the region, but here's an opportunity to use the regional enterprise plan and the projects that we've identified under the 5 pillars to actually drive on the Southeast, particularly around areas like the Southeast Technological University, which now gets designation on May 1st, and also the offshore wind opportunity in terms of from Crosslayer.
So delighted to be here in Ken Stainless in Wexford, where we launched the Southeast Regional Enterprise Plan. This is the 7th plan that we've launched nationally over the last number of weeks. And as is the case with this plan and every other plan, the plan is unique to each specific geographical area. The plans have been devised, formulated by the key stakeholders within each region, taking account of the challenges each region face and also taking account of the opportunities that each region presents. The plans are underpinned by substantial funding, 180 million over the lifetime of the plans. To assist projects in that, today we announced a €5 million priming fund. So that's for promoters to get funding to assist them in terms of a feasibility study, maybe to hire the necessary consultants to put together a good quality project, a project that will be shovel ready when the large funding becomes available later in the year. I want to take this opportunity to thank the various steering committees right across all the regions who have worked so hard to ensure that each specific region has a good, high quality plan for their region, acknowledging their unique challenges, but also acknowledging their unique opportunities.